cheese. And it's not going to get for free. What come in handy when it's in the store.
Why did you lie to me?
I guess I like that you were proud of me.